Parrots. These are young Australian parrots. Each of these chicks was born 5 days apart. This is why they look so different. The first chick to hatch from the egg is much bigger than the last one. But the mother parrot is very fair. She gives each chick the amount of food it needs. 10 days later, the biggest chick is still a lot bigger than the others. But, miraculously, it shares its food with the smallest and the weakest of its siblings, and feeds it from its own mouth. Why does this little chick show such self-sacrifice? Why does it give food to its weak brother? Those who claim that animals just think about themselves could never explain the reason for this benevolent behavior. But as you see, even a little bird shares its food at the right time with its smaller and weaker brother. Because of the sense of solidarity and sharing that God has inspired in them, all of the young develop in a healthy way.